Hi guys, I'm Mo from strapNgo. This is our latest load restraint system. Now this is a small demonstration video just to show you the two different ways that the system can be used. Now number one, the first way. Now just to let you know, what we actually do is we actually cut the straps to the height of the floor of the truck using a hot knife. Now the reason we do this is that when the freight is being loaded, the forklift driver will come in and he will push through this strap, and basically this strap will sit on top of your freight and it cannot get caught underneath the load because it's simply cut to the height of the floor. Now once this is sitting on top, you get your extendable pole that we have provided for you and you pull the strap out. Once the strap's pulled out, you basically lock it into your ratchet, you pull down, and away you go. Once you go straight back up to the roof of the truck. Now the second way that you can use the system is if you need to open up both sides of the truck and get everything completely out of the way, what you do is you grab the straps, you pull them all the way down until the buckles go to the roof. Once they're to the roof, you grab the straps and you simply walk with them. As you can see, they slide beautifully. Now once that's out of the way, you load up your freight. Once your freight's loaded, you grab the straps and you slowly walk with them back into position. That's the first one. That's the second one. That's the third one. And you walk to the other side using your extendable pole. And you pull the buckle down. Once the buckle's down, you lock it onto your side of your truck. Then you basically put this inside your ratchet, pull it all the way down, and away you go. That's the second way of using the system. Another thing you can do as well is if you wanted the straps completely out of the way, you can actually roll the strap up as such, and as you can see, this strap up here is completely out of the way. That's another way that you can use the system as well. As you can see, it's very, very fast, it's very, very versatile, and most importantly, it's very, very safe. Thank you very much.